In this video, I'll walk you through the process of playing old Nintendo games on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Playing old Nintendo games on the Switch offers nostalgia and the convenience of enjoying classic titles on modern hardware. It also provides access to a vast library of timeless games from past consoles. To begin, navigate to the Nintendo Switch controller interface. From the main menu panel, find and click on the Nintendo Switch Online option. Once selected, the system will prompt you to choose a user. For demonstration purposes, I will use a specific user as shown on the screen. After selecting your user, you'll be directed to the Users page. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu panel. From here, you can click on any game of your choice. In this case, I've clicked on one as an example. Once you are on the next page, you will see a list of old games available. To proceed, click on the Start Software option. The system will then ask for a confirmation before proceeding. Confirm your choice by clicking Start again. After confirmation, the game will begin to load and start. What you're accessing here is a collection of retro Nintendo games. This package includes a variety of classic games, offering you the chance to relive the nostalgia of the old-school Nintendo experience. For instance, Mario Bros., one of the most popular and iconic games, is available for you to play. This process allows you to enjoy the classic Nintendo games on your new Nintendo Switch with ease. You're not limited to just Mario Bros. You can choose from a wide selection of old games, all of which are compatible with the Nintendo Switch. Whether you're into platformers or action games, these retro titles bring back the charm of the original gaming era, now available on your modern console. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.